Let's see. Do we get all 5? मतलब I think the seller is same, so उन्होंने एक में ही पैकेट कर दिया, which is good. Like अब कभी तो कुछ बचना चाहिए ना. So it's like a single volumes of all the things. So this is Synchronism, this is Sakamoto days. तो मैं वहाँ पे गया था, तो I got a few recommendation cosplays, like these are famous going on. और मैं I would now these days पता नहीं क्या चस्का चल रहा है. I just prefer this to be reading. और ये this is Mang Shop official. उन्होंने इसका क्या हालत किया है भाई साहब. This and there are so many of it. And we'll start with एक एक करके. तो I'll keep the rest aside. Let's start with this and bookmark को भी मैं अभी side में रखता हूँ. This is Sakamoto Days, art by turns out legendary hitman considered the greatest of all time. But guys feared him, assassin, revered him, but when they quit and got married, had a baby, is now living the quiet life as the owner of a neighborhood. But howling and Sakamoto strange assassin who is targeting Sakamoto, but how will he manage against the feat? Then the Sakamoto gang does the best too, which are peaceful of filmmakers to totally interpret a pyramid. ये उसका स्टोरी नहीं लग रहा. Nobody 2, Mr. Nobody 2, like 9.9 years, and Japanese में ऐसे में पढ़ते हैं. So let's see. UT's volume 2 Shonen Jump, and this is like a very classic manga style wala, like lot of action figures, and I already love the character style. Like just look at it. It's like assassin. It looks Mr. Nobody too. Like this would have been come first, but it is so nice. Even the action figures, the knuckle breaking, because it's a fight genre, and to showing fight genre in this would be a very difficult thing to do. And the story and hidden assassin, very good old style, but it's like the action that you can bring. It's nice. So yeah, this is like a very definitely recommended. Good content. Please buy it. It's a very good recommendation. Let's go for the